Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator on phone. So you have to go to your Steam app. Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator is like a second step of security to get into your Steam account in your computer. So as you can see here in the app, in the option at the bottom of my screen, it might have like a shield in the middle of the screen. So if I go in and I have to scan a QR code, or I can show a Steam card code. But in order to show you how to enable right now, in the blue button on top of my screen, I have like a musical magic circle. So I'm going to click on it because I have another account that doesn't have this time the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. So first of all, they're going to send you a code to your email, so you have to write it. And then they're going to ask you for your mobile, so you have to get your mobile, go to next, and then they're going to send you a message, a text message to that phone, to that number phone. So then you have to copy and paste that code, and that's it. That's the way how you can enable your Steam Guard Authenticator. And as you can see, I can scan a QR code or show the Steam Guard code. Basically, this is a code that's going to change every, I don't know, perhaps 30 seconds. So as you can see, the blue line is going to be over, and when it begins to circle again, it's going to change the code, and that's it. So if I go back here in the Steam Guard code, I have like a setting button in gray, a little, and I have to click on it, and I can remove my authenticator if I want. So removing your authenticator will reduce your account security. Obviously, they're going to stop your threads and market listings like by 15 days, and you can click on the blue button, remove authenticator, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.